Hey guys, how you doing? It's electrojed here again. Let me give you a quick update on my review of the VoxLab 3D printer. It's still here, right here. Now they did send me a faulty product. I had it was I still don't know the names of all the pieces, but I had to replace and use the spare parts that were in the package that the printer was sent to me on. I had to replace some parts, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the machine. My review stands. I'm very pissed at them sending me faulty equipment, and so I'm not taking that review down, but I am going to try to work with this machine, and I would like your support as far as ideas of what to do. And I am going to be learning about 3D printing, and you guys are going to see how I learn, what the learning process is. I'm afraid that I'm going to show you exactly how stupid I am because I'm pretty goddamn dumb. But I'm going to try, and you guys are going to be a part of it. But I wanted to show you. This 3D printer was printing stuff like this. Flimsy. This is supposed to be solid, and this is supposed to be a nut wheel of some sort, but this is what I got. And I already showed you examples of what it was printing before. Yesterday, this was the best print I can get out. Alright. Today I did two prints, and I had to change out the nozzle because it was clogged. It was faulty. That was one of the pieces. And today I made two of these. Again, the original test print you saw. Well, now this is what it actually is supposed to look like. It's sturdy. This is actually a hook. It will work. The one that I did just before this, which is why I switched out the nozzle, is it was clogged, and it was flimsier than this. It was flimsy compared to this. The other one still came out good. It finally looked like a 3D print, but each print got better. Now I have to give a shout out. I really do. And the shout out is to a person that I met on YouTube who helped me figure all the problems out. And his YouTube name is 3D Print SOS. So I will put his link somewhere around here. I will put his link definitely down below. If you guys are involved with 3D printing at all, please go see this guy. This guy's awesome. He's knowledgeable, and he helped me and gave me the time of day where you don't have to. You know, he doesn't know me from Adam, which restores my faith in humanity. Any of you that have been following me for a while, you know how I am. I have this faith in humanity. I lose it sometimes, but you know, people like this instill that faith. And this guy helped me when he didn't have to. He walked me through problems. You know, I hit him up on YouTube, so I asked him a question. He answered it. We did like 23 messages back and forth, and then I got a hold of him on Instagram, and we started talking, and voila, he got me to get this thing working right, and we figured out what the problem was. So, shout outs to 3D Print SOS, and hopefully him and I talk more, and he'll teach me. I'm probably going to pick his brain for a lot of stuff. And guys, if you got suggestions, please help me out. I'm still trying to make the channel grow. I'm trying to become a partner so I could, try to make extra income. It's, you know how it goes. Anyway, thanks. That's my update. Peace.